Hello and welcome to the first lecture from this course on how to use Adobe Spark to create beautiful videos, beautiful social media posts, graphics, web pages, and other resources that you might need for your online marketing, and not just online marketing, but marketing campaigns in general. Now, first things first, let's start with the beginning. The platform that we are going to learn about today, it's called Adobe Spark. It's part of the Adobe group, which you probably already know because they have so many very useful softwares out there like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere, and many others. So the address where you have to go, because this is a cloud-based platform, is spark.adobe.com. Okay, so as you can see here in the browser, spark.adobe.com. Now, first things first, this is a platform that you can use for free. Obviously, as any online platform, they also have a premium version or a pro version, which has some premium features. But that's only in the case in which you want to use this for your business at a whole new level, okay? For an entry level or for small business owners, this is perfect to use as it is with the free version. Now, how do you create an account? As you can see on my page right now, in the right top corner of the menu, you have an option which says login or an option which says start now for free. If we click on the start now for free option, we will be redirected to this page. Welcome to Adobe Spark. Login with school account. You can be a teacher or a student in the Adobe Creative group, and you will already have the premium feature, so you can log in with a school account. But let's say that is not the case for you. What you can do is log in with Google, Facebook. You can sign up with your email ID or with your Adobe Creative ID. I will sign up with my Facebook account in this video as a demonstration. You guys can sign up with whatever type of account you want to. Maybe you want to set up a new one with your email. I think the easiest way to go for it right now is with either Google or Facebook, okay? And for the sake of this example and lecture, I will go with Facebook. And you'll see that we will be redirected to the dashboard. And this is how my dashboard looks at the moment. We have already some projects here, because in your dashboard you can see your projects. Every new, let's say, type of resource that you create, graphic, video, or web page, it's called a project. After you create it and save it and download it or use it, it will be saved here in this section, which is called projects, and you can edit your projects in the future. Now, more about the dashboard in our next lecture. You have seen how to create your account for free, and we are looking forward to see you in our next lecture.